Let's start out with the suspect, 36-year-old Nathan Sutherland, charged with sexual assault and vulnerable adult abuse. Here's what we know on Sutherland so far. Sutherland worked at Hacienda since 2012 as a licensed practical nurse. His last shift at the facility was on Sunday, January 20th, and police say by court order his DNA was collected, tested, and positively matched to the baby, all on Tuesday, January 22nd. And court docs show his wife filed for divorce on December 5th, 24 days before the patient's baby was born. But here's what we don't know about Sutherland. We don't know how often he would check the victim or if there are any other patients who are victim of sexual assault too. Next, let's look at the victim's doctors. Dr. Tan Nguyen, her primary care doctor, suspended, and Dr. Philip Gear, the one who performed all of her annual exams. According to Medicaid access documents, Dr. Nguyen had his contract suspended on January 15th. The Inspector General determining one or more of their members were endangered by leaving them in Nguyen's care, but the medical board has taken no action on Nguyen so far. As for Dr. Philip Gear, he performed the victim's annual exams, the last done in April of 2018. But we've now learned Dr. Gear was reprimanded by the medical board in 1996, citing gross negligence by him that resulted in an 8-day-old baby dying. What we don't know about the doctors is what testing they did or didn't do on the victim during her pregnancy and how they missed it. And lastly, here's what we know about Hacienda Healthcare and the action they've taken so far. Longtime CEO Bill Timmons resigned amid the investigation. Hacienda is now being managed by a third party during the investigation. They immediately fired Sutherland after hearing of his arrest, and they've increased security measures since it happened. What we've asked them and what they haven't answered is why there was a gap between Sutherland's last day of work on Sunday and his arrest Tuesday afternoon.